Hello friends, welcome to our channel Spoken English Entertainment. Today we are gonna go through some important and interesting structures. So without delaying, let's jump into today's video. We come across these kind of sentences every single day in our speaking terms. Like, मेरी आंखें तुम्हें देखने के लिए तरस गई. मैं दोस्तों से इस लॉकडाउन में मिलने को तरस गया. वह मुझसे बात करने को तरस गई. वह एक बूंद पानी पीने को तरस गया. Then let's have a look at the rule to make these kind of sentences. पहचान, तरस गया, तरसता है. Structure, subject plus long, longs, longed, to plus V1 plus object plus remaining words. Here, long and longs are used for simple present tense, while longs is used with singular number third person as he, she, it with any one name, whereas longed is used for simple past. Now let's go on with some mesmerizing examples. मेरी आंखें तुम्हें देखने के लिए तरस गई. My eyes long to see you. My eyes long to see you. वह मुझसे बात करने के लिए तरसती है. She longs to talk to me. She longs to talk to me. लोग मुझसे मिलने के लिए तरसते हैं. People long to meet me. People long to meet me. मैं पानी पूरी खाने के लिए तरस गई. I long to have boiled water balls. I long to have boiled water balls. अपने गांव की मिट्टी को छूने के लिए मैं तरस गया. I long to touch the soil of my village. I long to touch the soil of my village. वह सफलता पाने को तरस गया. He longed to achieve success. He longed to achieve success. पाकिस्तान मैच जीतने के लिए तरस गया. Pakistan longed to win the match. Pakistan longed to win the match. Now, I would like you to go on with second structure. तुम्हें वहाँ जाना ही होगा. मुझे इंग्लिश सीखना ही होगा. मुझे उससे बात करनी ही होगी. मुझे यहाँ आना ही होगा. Then let's have a look at the rule to make these kind of sentences. पहचान, ना ही होगा. Structure, subject plus must have to plus V1 plus object plus other words. तुम्हें वहाँ जाना ही होगा. You must have to go there. You must have to go there. मुझे इंग्लिश सीखना ही होगा. I must have to speak English. I must have to speak English. मुझे उससे बात करनी ही होगी. I must have to talk to her. I must have to talk to her. हम लोगों को क्लास अटेंड करना ही होगा. We must have to attend the class. We must have to attend the class. हम लोगों को पॉपुलेशन कंट्रोल करना ही होगा. We must have to control the population. We must have to control the population. तुम्हें पढ़ना ही होगा. You must have to study. You must have to study. Thank you so much for being with me in today's lesson. Then till practice a lot and speak English.